Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. This review today is going to be on the Apple AirTags. Guys, you ever been prone to lose your keys or anything for that matter? Well, I lose my keys sometime, and my wife, she loses her keys most of the time. So this is kind of a cure to that. But these Apple iTags are great, guys. I mean, they make a little noise, little dinging sound when you try to find them from your iPhone, and you can put them in these little cases here. This is a little case that I got online to protect it, and I love these cases because they're rubberized and they just protect your case real well. But guys, these AirTags are wonderful. You can just put them on your keys here, like I have on mine. Uh, it helps you find your keys all the time. I tell you what, just locate them from your iPhone. It'll just ding and you'll find your keys. I'm telling you guys, this has been really a lifesaver. I tell you, and actually, if you want to, you can put one of these air tags in your vehicle, guys. I'm telling you, really, if you put one in your vehicle, if somebody tries to steal your vehicle, you will be able to locate it. So this is a great idea to have a great product rather to have inside your vehicle so you can track it. But anyway, guys, that is your review today. Make it a great day.